y'all. What's up? What's up? Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. What's going on, you guys? Hey, how y'all living? How y'all feeling? Drop a comment down below and let your girl know. Yes, y'all, your girl is feeling good, feeling great. Feeling great, feeling good. How are you? It's been a minute since your girl did a wig video. It's been a minute. I don't know, y'all. I gotta get back in the swing of things. After my vacation, I just been like, ugh. But your girl's gonna bounce back, okay? But let's get into this look, honey. Do y'all see me? Yes, looking prettified, sanctified, holified. Yes, God is good. So even though I've been going for a minute now, I'm back with the jump off. What better way to come back and collab with one of my favorite synthetic brands, y'all? Bobbi Boss. Yes. Today's video is sponsored by Bobbi Boss. Thank you guys so much for sponsoring today's video. I am so excited for today's video, y'all. Like, when they reached out to me, I had to, like, blink a couple of times. Like, is this Bobbi Boss? Is this the real Bobbi Boss? Or is this Bobbi Boss? You know what I'm saying? I was just in a fangirl moment because Bobbi Boss is not new to my channel at all. As y'all know, I am rocking hardcore with Bobbi Boss Lena. That is my go-to everyday banging bob. And then I love Kiva. So yes, y'all, I'm just so excited for today's video. So thank you, Bobbi Boss, you know, for reaching out and collabing with your girl. So excited. All right, y'all, so let's get into this wig slayage. Is y'all ready? Cause your girl looks good. I'm not even conceited. I'm not that type of person. But when I do that, I gotta make sure that I tell myself that I did that. Okay? Cause your girl is sleeping on herself. But I'm awoke now. Okay? So get into these looks, baby. And y'all know we serving scalp. Like, y'all already know how I'm coming. Serving scalp. Synthetic or human, I'm serving scalp. Period. Alright? And that's on Mary Had a Who? Little Lamb. So let's get down to the nitty gritty of today's wiggy, 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 wiggy. Yes, y'all, today's wig is by Bobbi Boss. It is their Boss Lace First Class Her 13x7 deep lace pre-plucked realistic dent. Comes with a pre-plucked hairline, secure elastic band, free parting. The hair is premium synthetic. The wig is heat safe, but they don't have the degrees on the stock card. I just left my high comb on one. I have this wig in the style MLF600 GINA in the color number 1B. Yeah, so get into the stock card, y'all. You know, it look real regular, real basic. But the way your girl is killing this wig, her name is Shanise. So, y'all already know how I do. Y'all already know how I get down. I'm going to go ahead and drop those cons on you. And then I'm going to jump right into the pros. And then we're going to wrap this video on up. I only have one con when it comes to this wig. And I said this in my Kiva video, is that the wig is too small for your girl. Like, the wig is very secure with the adjustable elastic band, but the ear tabs do not match up with me. I have a lot of my sides out after I cut off the lace. It doesn't fit me very well, but y'all know I'm going to make it do what it do, especially if I love the wig. Another con that I would like to mention to you guys is that this wig does snag at the end, but it's not nothing major to make you be like, oh, I hate this wig, let me throw it away, I'm never wearing it again. No, it's just minor snags at the ends of the wig, and you might have seen it throughout the video when I would run the comb through it, but as you can see, I'm running my hands through the wig now, and it's nothing. Okay, but I just wanted to make you guys aware. Those are the only two cons that I have to say about this wig, so let's jump right into the pros. The first pro I would have to say about this wig is the her. Okay, this her is everything and all that and then some. I've said it before and there ain't no thing to say it again. Bobbi Boss has the best hair when it comes to the synthetic wig game, okay? And no, I'm not just saying that because this is a sponsored video. I've always said that and I'm gonna keep saying it. They have the best hair fibers. Like, it just feels so good. The hair, it's a mixture between silky and yucky. Like, I just love the density of this wig. The density is popping, all right? The next pro I would have to say is the lace does come brown. I did have to add a little bit of makeup, not even a whole lot, to make it blend down with my skin tone. And as y'all can see, we are serving scalp, baby. All right, are y'all looking? Are y'all looking? Like we serving scalp. Like it blended down so perfectly. The hairline does come pre-plucked, but you can pluck it a little bit more if that's your personal preference. I didn't feel the need to go in and pluck anything. All I did was add some pressed powder under the lace, on top of the lace, and in the party space in your scalp. Period. All right, the next pro I would have to say is this wig is a bob. Now, hear me out. Normally, I don't like long bobs. I really don't. I feel like they make my face look fat. But y'all, I took my thumbnail pictures and your girl was serving looks. It's not a whole lot for me to say about this wig. Do I believe that this wig is beginner friendly? Yes, I do. You can wear it glueless. I wouldn't suggest wearing it glueless because of the way that the cap is made. Mine's kept sliding back, so I went ahead and laid it on down with my bed hairspray, and it ain't going nowhere. I just keep looking in the mirror because I'm like, girl, what is you doing? Like, what is you doing to me, Shanise Nicole? I hope you all are doing well. I hope you all are staying safe, and I hope you all are washing your hands and wearing your mask and all that good jazz. I just want to say thank you so much for the continued support. Y'all show your girl so much love even when I'm not posting about wigs. So I just appreciate y'all so much. I love y'all. Once again, I would like to send a big thank you to Bobbi Boss for sponsoring today's video. If you like today's video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up for your girl. If you have any comments or any questions, or you just want to say what's up, drop it down below and you know I will talk back to you. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's the big red button down below because I know you see it. I know you see it. I know you see it. Yes. As always, I thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for supporting me. And hopefully, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.